the 30-year mortgage, a cornerstone of the American dream since Franklin D. Roosevelt. But in an era of soaring housing costs, is 30 years simply not enough? We have a new proposal that doubles the debt clock. In November 2025, President Donald Trump floated a radical plan, federally backed 50-year mortgages. The aim, to finally make homeownership accessible again for millions of Americans, priced out by crippling interest rates and record-high prices. The announcement itself was classic Trump, a dramatic post on Truth Social, directly juxtaposing himself with FDR. FHFA Director Bill Pult called the idea a complete game-changer for affordability, setting off a nationwide debate. The immediate undeniable benefit is lower monthly payments. Take a $300,000 home. The monthly payment on a 50-year term drops by over £200, or nearly $250, compared to a standard 30-year. This breathing room is precisely what young, first-time buyers need. President Trump himself described it as a tool in a wide arsenal of solutions, designed to inject demand back into a stagnant market. Crucially, proponents say it's just an option. You can still pay it off early without penalty, offering genuine flexibility. But let's look at the fine print. While the monthly payments are lower, the long-term cost is staggering. On a $240,000 loan, the total interest paid nearly doubles, jumping from $402,000 to almost $750,000. This is a mountain of debt stretching into your retirement. You also build equity at a snail's pace. For a buyer in their 30s, they could be paying this loan until their 80s or even 90s. This increases the risk of negative equity and leaves homeowners highly vulnerable to market downturns later in life. Then there are the regulatory hurdles. The Dodd-Frank Act caps most mortgages at 30 years, a consumer protection born from the 2008 crisis. Overcoming this would require Congress to act. Furthermore, critics argue it fails to address the real problem, the lack of housing supply, potentially just driving up prices further. The backlash wasn't just political. Even staunch MAGA allies, like Representative Marjorie Taylor Greene, called it a giveaway to banks and builders, burdening families with endless debt. Even White House aides were reportedly furious, having been blindsided by the proposal, with Trump later downplaying it as something that might help a little bit. The 50-year mortgage is an idea born of crisis, a potentially powerful affordability tool, but one that comes with a massive long-term cost. Mortgage experts predict it will have no legs. But the debate has put the affordability crisis front and center. It is up to you, the potential homeowner, to weigh the low short-term payment against half a century of debt. Before you make a decision, we encourage you to research current affordability tools like FHA loans. Now, let us know what you think. Is this salvation or a sophisticated debt trap? Leave your thoughts in the comments below.
Your ultimate hub for real estate insights, breaking news, entrepreneurial wisdom, investing strategies, and self-development hacks. If you're ready to expand your mind and stay ahead of the game floor, you're in the right place. Subscribe now. Your future self will thank you.